Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki pajba kelapan pawi kecengnya ki bagi lay kendo habai dai per kejengkiu jong kabai thang boarding electric kam tam hagini ki por badang don ka klam jingpang covid khat khandai unang san hima layo bania kren bat kawai kalong keme ka badang de ban siwe kabai thang boarding HMEECL habai kren bat ka nakaliang jong kene kalong keme kalaong ka jengkiu kabai thang boarding ka bujing e ki brio bawan ki longying ki baduk berkejing bempen poi ya kabil hakapor kababiang dang penjenjar susu yau pajba kalau ongru badon kipor bagi wan aibil na kabenda arbenai lenilai benai mat keni kebu jeng e namar kalabun kepisa bensiu HMEECL
kajeng kiu belait bana kapor kantang gi baduk basuk telung bapli gi jenjar hi te teng teng gar kom ai belai kan kin ju ai kena hakapor ka ba biang teng teng arbenai lai benai gi ai kuntu tingi jenjar em gi baduk dah telong ta kan ngam kren tang ngila dia mentah ni kren nam ta baru kai kan entam kiba duk kiba jenjar kiba kelima kiba kimla ban si kimla ban ni samantali ka kamai kaji kimdan telong ka jenjar kan ya kiru jing small jungar kum ta hi namar ba ka jing ong jung ki ka dai hi long kane ka bilait ka bakiu na kapor ka bamdan su ka jing sange te kapisa ka ba lomta kan ka bang barobon ngithang kendian soi ke jing siu kendian soi menta pat kala long sebab palaku ka jenjari kan ban ya keren ya kata ka ida kamantan ong kubno ni keno ya no ken ba namar kitu kilawan be de kitu kimeter jongki kilai meter box kito binang tu isu ai ngi keslip tengi pada longkat bami hang tu ngi haban siu be tengen tip ngin keno ya no ngin keno e kini ne ngin keno ya no nginang suban keno menta kalau long ha umdum ngi bai ba te ngi suan si be hang ni kadang ngile komplain giong si saya kabarim ngin saya keren te ka semjing am ngi rum ta ngi baduk ta nga ha ka bayade bat kan ni kum kalong kuni kum ka bri ko bala im hang ni ka bala palat kan ni ka jing long la ka jing kiu jong bilai kala palat nga kwa ban ong bat kentiu ka sarkar ya ki bab de gi minister mah badai pej kan ni bikin le e ken bakin yarap ken yang ngi bang alis bakin yarap ngi tak ndiap soi bangin la ban kumta ke bangin la ban ya imlang mo ndai bang bangin suong ba kin su charge kat bakimon kin su sim kat bakimon kami hapen namang kajing kajing kalong jung ni pa iba hi te ka sarkar tari ban sim khialo kan ni namar nga de bonsin ngasai wan ngasai o mangan complain be hang no ngan complain ngale hakiniru kumakin lagi por bala de ble de bangin ru po office ngimyo andai kan ka bilai ka QC telong kasim jing kan yang ngiru ya nongin ong tingin hap ong gitu gi badai benpek mano badai benpek kan ni no badai no minister badai kan ni udai ban simkia kan halot kan ni
kita kata ya komo kene ong balai kin kapoi hadu kan ni namar ba kan ni idang te mai 4 slam sai dang renyo benai minta ndreum duna da duna ru kumot khat arspa sijrong kajing duna ke jongi ke ni set ni tiu daga yuhi daga lagi ya kata dengan tip kapoi hadu kan ni ya kata ni sa ni tiang komot aus ketri yang bak dong komot dayu bak marbaniang komot tiang te ngasa kamala kabalai te jingsha komot kam da poi ken hidu kan ne wat ladangi namar umdai te baru siung mo talai kamera te lai kamera te adisha dai ban poi ka bil kumno re sijar duna ke sepo dalong kumno pas kiwi pat jing ke ying jong kiwi ko haban yanu jor kumot wat kata ying ka ba ndrew nyo kamera ro kumot ka poi tang sau spa ndrew spa nyo spa do te kadbangi tang lai kamera ter kumne setai poi do kan ni ta ngam su thu shu pa pe ngam tip nomor ba ngam da tip ha ya kan ka yu kan ya kan ka sepang kan ka like ngam da tip ngam su thu kan
tray ke jinge mabisham tray kam ta ma kan por kubet mo pakiu ba belai wan su kubet
Ni kecilnya tak babon namar ba ngitang balik belarum ya syu ilek kamai rum ya syu dan kemot kakiu kabilat kat ne sakat awak by school kemot by school khanduna kiau ki sarkar kitu ki por kemot ong ikit saduna ka by school ndek by school ru kishimi kaju mumajulong kemot syemjia sebut kecilnya namar ba ni pendap ya ka by khau ne ni pendap ya ka by school ne cái chữ qua cái chỗ nga cái đây bằng bách bát phần bách ba cái nhà cái này cái bill để sẽ ông tệ hadu cái nó kibi cái một cái poi hadu cái này nè cái một anh sa cái một baro si yang ru anh sa cái một poi hadu cái này cái bangi patang lai kamera cái một cái này cái chữ poi cái một ngam sut hau shu bat ngam da tip ha shu phang cái này cái lai thì đây là kata nga shu ngap laga ngap namar bangala ong trying ru ai pech katne ke jingkiu balai ka kiu katne te bakat no em katne ko bathmai ong yo ngala complain ong yo ga bakla ga metar ne kumno em ko bathmai te ba ong ta te ni hap susap bai
Onong Sain Himau la yo bane kran ru badu chairman kam managing director jongka MEECL hu Arun Kumar Kimbavi halor kani kamat bad ulapan pau ada kadon kejengkiu kansan kabai thang boarding electric habai nujor bad kibai pat kibnai kipaj ba kila banwanra ai kibil barim ban ye nujor knang balada don kano kejing bakla la man penbeh
No, but nobody has brought this to my attention yet because I've been here for last 4 months and apart from the village of Shnongpring in Jayanti Hills, no other locality in Shillong or village in Meghalaya has brought this to my notice that the electricity bills have spiked in the recent months. There could be a couple of reasons. One is that during the COVID time, height of the COVID time, our meter readers could not enter the premises of the houses. So in those times, what we did, we issued average bills. Average bills in the sense that, let's assume in April, May, June, we could not visit, so we would have given 100, 100, 100. But when the meter reader visited the house in the month of July, he found out that the current bill is 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees minus 300, which has already been paid in the last 3 months, is equal to 700. So the people misunderstand that for the month of July it has come 700, whereas for the month of June it has come only 100 rupees. So that's not the case. It's called reconciliation. But if you can give me any bill which says which has a huge disparity between 2 months of bills, then I can certainly look into it. In fact, we have set up a committee also under the chairmanship of our independent director to address such concerns from the villagers or from the city dwellers if there is any disparity they find in the electricity bills. They can come individually, they can send a letter enclosing the bills of 2 different months, anything. So if there is a mistake from our end, in fact, I'm not denying that there cannot be mistakes. There will always be mistakes. In fact, one of the departments, Soil and Water Conservation Department, had raised a concern that there is an unusual increase in the bills. When we looked at the records from the MIS, we found out that yes, there is a miscalculation of the units consumed, and we rectified the mistakes. So it can always be done from the case to case basis, but just a broad allegation that households are getting more bills, I don't think that's correct. The meter can always be tampered if the person knows has the understanding of the know-how. But the meter readers that we have, they're all unskilled employees, so they're not electricians. So they don't. I don't think they can, in the presence of the house owner, they're not supposed to open the meter. Meter reader, he is only supposed to look at the meter and count the number of units consumed. But he's not supposed to open the meter box. So if any meter reader is trying to gain access into the meter box, then the I don't think house owner would allow doing that. It can be done. It can be done even by the house owner. Let alone the meter reader. It can be done by anyone who knows how to tamper the meter. But it is not so easy. That's why we are trying to bring in smart meters, which are tamper-proof. If anybody tries to meddle with the meters, we get the alarm. So, but with the current static meters, it's a little difficult to do. But with the old electromechanical meters, one can easily tamper with them. Smart meters is any time now. So, fully funded project under the Asian Development Bank. But all externally funded projects, they do take some time because of the long procedures. So, but I'm sure by next month we'll be able to roll out the operations for smart meters. These are all smart meters with remotely accessible meters, which we can control using the control rooms. We don't have to visit the meters to take the reading. The remote disconnection and connection can be done. So there are a lot of, we can even calculate the maximum demand indicator. If a person has a contract load of 2 kilowatt and he's breaching that 2 kilowatt limit, we can remotely calculate and we can disconnect it without the house owner knowing. Prepaid is only for the government departments as of now, and the smart meter has both option for prepaid as well as postpaid for all consumers, domestic, commercial, industries, everyone. But in the first phase, we are only rolling out postpaid. Slowly and steadily, we'll convert that into prepaid meters as well.